guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. My name is Muskan. I really think I need to change the introduction because I'm so bored of saying hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, today's video is going to be a short one hopefully, so I am not going to sit here and chat about random things. Today I am going to review, like it's a first impression. Like I just received this and this is the Corioliss Big Wave hair waver. I wanted to buy a hair waver for myself since years. Like I've been wanting a hair waver for years now and I just couldn't find a good one. Either of them were very expensive. This is also very expensive, but I didn't know if it was a good investment. So a few days ago, Larissa here on YouTube had put up a video recently on hairstyles. I will link it down in the description below in case you guys want to see it. So in that video she used this waver and I loved it, so I bought it. So this is what the box looks like. I am going to move on to the actual video. This is what the box looks like when you open it up. This is the waver. Okay, so I've removed the waver and oh my god, and it comes with this really long cord, and then inside there's this finger glove that I can use. A warranty, security instructions, we don't need it. Just gonna put this box away and I'm going to plug the waver in. I've plugged it in. I'm going to show you how to put it on. I am also figuring it out with you guys because I just got it. Okay, so there's an off and there's an on, and then you just basically just push it and it starts. And this is the heat setting. I'm going to put it, so the maximum is 210, the lowest is 150, and I'm going to put it at 190 because I don't want to burn my hair. Okay, so this is what the waver looks like. It just waves your hair like that. I am so excited to try this. And there's a lock button here and this gets locked in case you want to store it. I hope that's how you store it. I don't hope that we have to lock our hair in this. So now I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up and then I'm gonna show you 2-3 strands, but mostly I am going to fast forward because I have to be somewhere. And I got this clip from my mom's drawer. I don't have anything to section my hair right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I've sectioned my hair very weirdly because I am in a hurry, and I am going to brush my hair and then I'm gonna start crimping because I think the machine is hot enough. Okay, so also I have really thin hair, so I think I can get away with sectioning my hair in a very messy way. So I'm gonna start from this kind of my hair. I'm going to put my fingers in this glove and I'm going to hold this. And then I'm going to, I swear the entire process is not going to be this messy. Just I'm using this for the first time and I have high hopes. I'm gonna count till 10. I actually want to take you to my walk-in and do this so you can see my entire hair. I just want to show you what my hair look like. So this part is done and this is what it looks like. I am going to continue. Okay, so right after using it for the first time on like one section of my hair, it takes some time to get used to it, but I think pretty am used to it and it's not that difficult. I mean, it's not that tedious, it's not at all difficult. Looks, ignore this, but Let me know in the comments down below what do you think. I think it's giving me such a princessy vibe. I hope you guys can see all my hair. I have really long hair and that is why I had to come to my walk-in to film this. So now I'm going to fast forward the upper sections. Hi, so I'm back. My camera died while I was doing my hair. So it's been half an hour since I did my hair. I charged my batteries and everything, and now I'm ready to leave. So I actually love how my hair is looking. I mean, I wasn't expecting my hair to look this nice. Fun fact, when I passed my 10th standard, I wanted to perm my hair permanently. I don't know about that, but this definitely gave me the look that I was going for, that I wanted to go for back then. So I love it. I want to give this hairstylist 5 on 5, and I actually really enjoyed using it as well. It wasn't very time consuming. I took like half an hour to finish my hair. I take 5 minutes to iron my hair because I have naturally straight hair, and I take almost an hour 45 minutes to curl my hair, which is with a proper curler. That is why I avoid curling. This took me a good half an hour. Also, this was the first time I used it, so I needed some help. It took me some time to get used to it, but I am hoping that the next time I try to wave my hair, it's going to take me a lot less time, because this was the first time I used it. So all in all, I really love my hair and I love how it's looking. Tell me in the comments down below if you guys did. If you did, please let me know. If you found this video helpful, then please let me know. If you want to ask me the question, is it worth it? I think it definitely is, but maybe wait for the sale, save money for it, or in case if you want something cheaper, or if you want an alternative, if you want something else, there are a lot of waivers in the market. You should definitely try them out. But in case you want this one, I think you should wait for the sale. If you have the bucks, I definitely think it's worth it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.